Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica and I am the Lopsided Crafter. Yeah. How have you been? I have been fantastic. If you've seen one of my other videos, I'm not sure which one I'm going to put first, but it was a little bit of a life update. This one is mainly just my Michaels haul. I went to Michaels 2 times today, so I decided to show you what I got. The first thing I got, and I will just show you the boxes right now. I got a few of the Prim crochet hooks. I'm not sure which order these videos will fall, but I have already done a review on these hooks. And if I've already done the review, I will put it in the iCards up here. If not, just click on videos and I'm sure you'll be able to find it. So yeah, I ended up getting a G hook, a J hook, and an H hook. The reason I got these sizes is I needed a new H ergonomic for a project that's coming up that I've already bought the yarn for. This is part of the yarn right here. That is Knit Picks Brava worsted. I am waiting for a few more colors to come for a colorwork sweater that I'm going to be doing in crochet. As far as the G hook and the J hook, I got some yarn that called for a J hook, so I thought, well, we'll just try it. And then the G hook I tend to use a lot for my amigurumi. So I picked those up, although I do have these hooks in these sizes in other brands. Like I said, I wanted to pick them up, give them a review, let you guys know what I thought of them. These are $5.49 to $6.49 respectively at my Michaels. So what else did I get? Well, I have a design that I am working on. So I can't really show you said design, but I can show you the yarn. I picked up this yarn at Michaels because it was buy one, get one half off this week. And yes, I know I just gave a ton of acrylic to carry, and I know I still have a ton of acrylic back there. However, I needed and or wanted, without going into detail, for it to come from a particular place. And that's all I'm going to say about that. So I got impeccable loops and threads. This is Michaels House brand. I'm sure everybody knows the parameters on it, but just in case, it is, this color is bright sky blue. Do it this way. 285 yards, 4.5 ounces to 260 meters, or 127.5 grams, depending on where you live. This is a medium weight number 4, a 5mm US H8 crochet hook is suggested, as well as a US 8 or 5mm knitting needle. According to the wrapper, 18 stitches and 24 rows will give you a gauge swatch of 4 inches by 4 inches. So I picked up, I don't know, 4 of these. I picked up some of the white, 4 of these. I don't have to pull them all out because, you know, I got lots of duplicate colors. 4 black. Brace yourself, Carrie. Carrie, brace yourself. I got 4 pink. And this is actually called Lippy. Yes, I got pink. Again, this is for an intended project. So let me shove those back into the bag so they don't fall onto the floor. Like I said, I know I just gave a whole bunch of yarn to carry, but, you know, it is what it is. Saying in the same yarn family, I got 4 of these. I might have got 5 of these. Either way. This is Orange Crush. And then I got, let's see. Actually, I only got 3 of these. And then I got 3 of these, which is great. Are we seeing a theme? From there, Michaels has a whole bunch of new yarns, as well as, or at least my Michaels, excuse me, colors that they didn't have in the past. They may have had the same brand, but not the same colors. So I did pick up some of the Heartland. Again, this is for another design idea. I won't pull them all out individually, but I will show you the colors that I got. This is Lion Brand Heartland. 251 yards or 230 meters, 5 ounces, US number 4 worsted weight, 100% acrylic, machine washable and dryable, but I would probably hand wash and lay flat to dry, just my opinion. Suggested knitting needles is a 9 or a 5.5, which will give you 16 stitches and 22 rows, or a J10 6mm crochet hook, which will give you 12 stitches and 15 rows. I'm not sure that I would use a J hook for that. It feels comparable. Actually, it feels a little thinner than the Impeccable. That one I would definitely have to play around with as far as what hook I would use, depending on what type of drape or item I was, you know, wanting to work up. So this one, I don't know if I mentioned it, so just in case, this is Black Canyon. This one is Badlands. I also got Olympic. And finally, I got Hot Springs. Now, like I said, my Michaels did have Heartland before. But the colors, at least at my store, were very slim picking. So I'm glad to see that Michaels has gotten some more colors in of that. I hesitate to say, because by the time this video goes out, the sale will no longer be valid. But all of this yarn was buy one, get one half off. I also picked up 4 of these. This is the Premier Home Cotton, 131 yards. This is also considered a number 4 weight. It says machine wash, tumble dry. Again, depending on what I was making, probably would not. Now, if I'm doing, like, say, dishcloths or something to that effect, yeah, I'll put in the machine and tumble dry. But if I'm making, like, a bralette, for example, that would definitely be hand wash, light, dry to flat. Yeah, easy for me to say, right? Hand wash, lay flat to dry. So yeah, I picked up 4 of these for another design idea. Yeah, so that is my Michaels haul. And like I said, I did do a review on these Prim crochet hooks that I did purchase at Michaels. This haul was purchased with my own money. This is my own opinion. This is not sponsored in any way, shape, or form by Michaels. So I hope you enjoyed this haul, and until next time, guys, happy yarn shopping. Bye.